So today we are going to study lesson second, plants making food, revision, worksheet second. Now you see worksheet second, open page number 14-15. Last time we have studied fill in the blanks, tick the right answer, write T for true and the F for false. Today D, give reasons. So there are 5 questions about which we have to discuss. Now first you see first give reasons. Leaves are green in color. First question is leaves are green in color. Why leaves are green in color? So answer you know very well, due to presence of chlorophyll. Due to the presence of chlorophyll, leaves are green in color. So first answer, due to the presence of chlorophyll, leaves are green in color. Now see next, in areas with less grass, many deer will die. In areas with less grass, many deer will die. Why it will happen? Because deer eat plants. If there is very less plants, there will be very less food also. So due to the scarcity of the food, many deer will die. So due to the scarcity of the food, many deer will die. Now next, animals and plants. Now third you see, animals and plants depend on each other. Now third you see, so first we have discussed leaves are green in color. Second, in areas with less grass, many deer will die. We have discussed. So first one is the, as I told you, leaves are green in color. Why? Due to the presence of chlorophyll. Due to the presence of chlorophyll, leaves are green in color. I have already given you answer. So today, since we are again studying, we are making the revision. So we are writing the short form, not complete sentence, but in examination you have to write the complete sentence. In areas with less grass, many deer will die. Why this will happen? Due to scarcity of food. Due to the scarcity of food, many deer will die. Now next, animals and plants depend on each other. animals and plants depends on each other. Why? Because plants are not able to make their food. So plants depends on the food. Animals depend on plants for their food requirements. On the other hand, plants depends on animals for carbon dioxide, which is a raw material for photosynthesis. And by other way also, plants depends on the animal for the pollination or for the dispersal of the seed, etc., etc. But we are not going to study in very deep. So here, and on the other hand, animals also depends on plants for oxygen. That oxygen is released by the plants during the process of the photosynthesis. So in this way, I told you in the 3 words. 1, animals depends on plants for their food requirements. Since animals are not able to make their food. Second, plants depend on animals for carbon dioxide that is needed for the making food. And third, animals also depends on plants for oxygen. That oxygen is released by the plants during the process of the photosynthesis. When I am telling the name of the plant, you have to consider the green plants. Now next, leaves are called the food factories of the plant. Leaves are called as the food factories of the plant because leaves produce the food, or food is produced inside the leaves. So leaves are called as the food factories. Since the food is prepared in the leaves of the plant, so leaves are called as the food factories of the plants. Sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Sunlight is necessary for the photosynthesis. Why sunlight is necessary for the photosynthesis? Because plants use sunlight to turn water and carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen. So what is the role of carbon dioxide? What is the role of sunlight in the photosynthesis? So sunlight is used by the plants to turn carbon dioxide and water into glucose and the oxygen. So this one is the question. I think this is the question number 5th. Third, I told you third and fourth and fifth. I am telling you sunlight is necessary for the photosynthesis because sunlight breaks the glucose. Sunlight breaks water and carbon dioxide into glucose plus oxygen. What things, other things are needed? Sunlight. Another chlorophyll. So this water is there, carbon dioxide is there, and this water and carbon dioxide is converted into the glucose and the oxygen. Glucose is product and oxygen the byproduct. This glucose is our food. This glucose is food. This glucose is utilized by the plants, while the surplus amount of glucose is converted into the starch, and this starch is stored into the plants, different part of the plant, and this oxygen is released into the atmosphere, and this oxygen is used for the respiration. So these are the few questions. These are the few questions. Now answer the following. What is photosynthesis? What is photosynthesis? The process by which plants make their the food in presence of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. The process by which green plants make their food in presence of carbon dioxide, water and the sunlight. Next, what are the four things needed for the process of the photosynthesis? What are the four things needed for the process of the photosynthesis? So you know what are the four things needed? One is carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and the chlorophyll. These four things are needed for the photosynthesis. Once again listen. What are the four things needed for the photosynthesis? So four things needed for photosynthesis are: number one is carbon dioxide, number two is water, number three is sunlight, and number four is the chlorophyll. So these four things are needed for the photosynthesis. So now that's for today.